Enough is enough.
Yes.
We will tell this man our mind today.
Yes.
Is it because he owns this house? Is he the only landlord?
What is he?
Who is he?
Enough is enough.
We will tell him our mind today.
Yes.
What?
Enough is enough for no. For somebody's house, enough for not enough. Who is that bingo that was shouting on top of his voice? No, tell me, who was that person that was shouting on top of his voice in my own house? You are living in somebody's house and you are shouting on top of your voice. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Do you know how much block costs in the market? Have you bought a cement before?
I'm gonna meet up now.
If you talk, I will.
Landlord.
What a nonsense people. They are nobody will buy good perfume. And then she can have those. Come on, hey! I want how much time I wife. Ogarube. Come on, bring down your legs from that place. They're living in somebody's house and you're marking them. You walk around. Don't lean on my distance. Talk
Talk to me now. Why are you hitting me? You're hitting me.
Why would I hit you? Did you build the house? How many people are you in your apartment? Okay, don't keep me waiting. Don't keep me waiting. How many are you in your apartment?
There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
In one room. How come? Because the day you fill the form, you told me you are the only person who is packing into my house, and I rented my house for one person. How come are they your mother or your sister?
Did you ask me how many people are coming to my house? You didn't ask me that.
So why would I ask you? You said you are the only person, and you told me you are not married, you're a single person. So how come if there's under 2 months, give one up, you lay egg and 5 years into your house? No man. Who are they to you and what do you do? What is your business? Okay, answer me.
How's your business? How's your business with what I do?
Oh, you're asking me a question. Please, if you know you are living into this man's orphanage, come this way. All of you that I live and sporting with him, come out here.
Orphanage, this compound.
Come this side. Can I make a range one? Turn this way. Look at their bomb everywhere. Watch out for the bomb. Now, not see another place.
We are together now. But neighbor, now only you 5 years. Oh.
Okay, what do you do with these people? What are your work with him?
Walk.
Huh?
Walk.
Work. What kind of work? Work no get name. Can you name? What do you do for him? You know they talk. What you walk? Walk on a walk.
Hey, chief. Walk and I walk. Anything that brings money, now walk.
So name it. Identify yourself as a worker. What do you work as work?
We are night workers.
Hey! British Abala German. Night worker. Yeah, and then I can lose. Hello to the smell. Say, which people they smell hello?
I did not say a lot.
So what is night worker? That does not do.
Anything can be night worker now.
Anything can be night worker.
Anything
So now what is that they do, Oga? You carry people's children, keep them in the house, only them about taking. They go bring money, go share. No wonder you know they grow. Since when you enter here and I saw you be. Single progress no day for your face. Your matter full ground. Kegaga handler for landlord association. Come this way. Join your battalion. Come go this way. You can't live in somebody's house and you're full of pride. Don't be proud. What is it? Why you kiss? Really kiss Maggi and Ilana. If you talk time, who are you babysitting for? What do you do in my house? Because I don't know you.
I live with my aunt.
Which of you will be auntie? Where is she?
Me.
How not two take resemble? How is this one go be your auntie? Or chando jimono double 2 son. What do you do?
I'm a banker.
Bargaining. And
I'm
what
a banker.
You a banker? Why you not go work today?
I dey go work now.
This night. Your bank in my bank open. Your bank now you dey do on main road bank.
Concern you now bank now.
Bank now for main road bank they do in the night. So you belong to this house. Una don't turn my house to charot. Ebu mokro be na be from one. Oh, fufu can I be for a phone.
Talk what you know. Talk what you know.
But definitely don't pandam for. Two of you run and go this way. Don't see her chest. Look at her chest. Very chestful. Then the mama. The basin no. Why you manaria? Your ne. I is in nebu. I am my yamma. Ojirafa Karomona. You quit and walking.
Chief, why am I here?
Why you are here is because your belly too big.
Oh.
You email walk a pregnant mom on you.
So you're not jealous?
Why jealous of Futushin?
No, you're not jealous of me.
No, is this bank? Is this money? Sickness, you born out.
Yes, I fooled you.
I forget every time.
Yes, I fooled you.
Where's that father?
Eh? Because I'm doing well in your house. Now you're not kind of making fun of me because of my tummy.
Wait, which way? Eh? For the fact you mentioned my house, there's no well in your lineage. For the fact you're still living in my house, there's nothing like well. Don't even mention it. Because if you're doing well, you should build your own house, erect your own house, and live in it.
Chief, please, I want to go and clear my goose. I want to go and clear my goose.
Look, I'm going to clear goose people now for. Don't not promise nonsense. Who is these two people with you?
I thought you saw them the very first day.
I saw them. They don't change from my eyes. They look better. Who are they?
This is okay, my junior sister and her friend that came around.
Okay, bring one person. Bring one.
I am training them in school as a philanthropist.
Yes. Hey, you're a philanthropist.
Yes.
I forgot hunger. A philanthropist. I forgot your belly come big like this and you're a philanthropist. What can borrow go on? But I heard the other time you toilet, you no pay. And I did go toilet 2 weeks, you didn't pay. Shake every time for your window.
Chief.
Give keyboard.
You are jealous of my good living. That is it. You are just jealous of my good living.
Look, I'm telling nonsense abortion. You don't see what your sister will. You're not going to write this thing for this house. You had the too big. You had the too big for what?
Chief, meet my sister now.
Hey.
Oh, this guy landlord.
No, I didn't entire person for here. Oh. Landlord, I bet do we get this one.
Let's zip saga. Just look at her. Everywhere zip for front, zip for waist, zip for here. I never commission. You don't marry. You never marry. At this your age. You buy local. Nonsense.
Guy.